Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your friends on Monopoly Go. So to do that, it's very easy. All you have to do is follow the video until the end to find out and not miss any steps. So let's get started. So the first step is to open your Monopoly Go app and make sure the app is in the latest version. So as you can see, I am in my Monopoly Go application. So what you have to do right now is go to Friends tab, which is on the bottom right hand side corner. So all you have to do is click on this Friends tab, and here what you have to do is actually go to leaderboards. So over here you can see I don't really have any friends as I have not added any friends yet. So if you have added any friends over here, you can see all your friends over here, and there will be an option to delete the friends as well. So just all you have to do is click on remove friends and your friends will be deleted. So that is how you can delete friends on Monopoly Go. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.